Late bloomer. And the race is on. Famous girl from the outside, late bloomer in the middle, running down on the inside. Sa totoo lang, then comes my Perpy. Sa totoo lang is now the leader, late bloomer, my Perpy. On your knees, down on the inside, rushing up is to a Ferrari 1. Famous girl alongside by Darrell Military Might. While Dragon King is the early trailer. Entry number 3, sa totoo lang, by Alenkin up on your knees, down on the inside alongside my Perpy. In between runners to a Ferrari 1, late bloomer is on the further outside. Passing the last 550, sa totoo lang, on your knees, late bloomer is on the outside, Ferrari 1, famous girl. Also rushing up as they race the last 450. Sa totoo lang, in the middle. On your knees, down on the inside, late bloomer on the further outside, famous girl, Ferrari 1. Last 200 meters more to run. Sa totoo lang, in the middle. Late bloomer from the outside, on your knees, down on the inside. Entering the last 75 meters. Sa totoo lang, late bloomer on the outside, but sa totoo lang, winning this race. Second, late bloomer, Ferrari 1, famous girl, on your knees, my Perpy, Dragon King, and Military Might comes last.
Mukhang